Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are perfectly fine and doing your studies at your home. Students, this is Somitri Yadav, Assistant Teacher of Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Students, I am here with a new online video class in which we will discuss some exercise of chapter number 8. So, let's start. Chapter number 8. The name of the chapter number 8 is Kinds of Adjectives. In the previous video lecture, we have discussed some kinds of adjective. First is adjective of quality. Second is adjectives of quantity. Third is adjective of number. Along with these kinds of adjective, we have read about demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, and also possessive adjective. So in this video lecture we have discussed some demonstrative adjective and also some questions about interrogative adjective. So let's start. Question number C is match these sentences with the correct demonstrative adjective. There can be more than one correct answer. Students, in your book you have given two columns. Column A, you have given some sentences with blanks, and in column B you have given demonstrative adjective this, that, these, and those. You have to match these sentences with these demonstrative adjective, and also you have to fill demonstrative adjective in the blanks. Students, keep remember there can be more than one demonstrative adjective. So let's start. First one is blank wedding dress has been designed by Nina. So this and that can be the right answer. Question number second, blank girls are from my college. These and those, both are correct. Third, blank house is the biggest in the locality. This and that, both are correct. Fourth, blank tree is an oak tree. Answer is this and that, both answer are right. Fifth, blank children are my neighbors. These and those, both are correct. I like blank paintings and not those. These is correct answer. Blank potatoes are overcooked and taste bad. So these and those are correct answers. Eighth, blank girl is taller than my cousin. This and that, both are right. Blank pots have been painted by my sister. This and that, both are right. The bottles are packed in blank factory. Answer is this and that. Now let's revise this exercise again. Blank wedding dress has been designed by Nina. This and that. These blank girls are from my college. These and those are correct answer. Blank house is the biggest in the locality. This and that, both are correct answer. Blank tree is an oak tree. This and that, both are correct answer. Blank children are my neighbors. These and those, both are correct answer. I like blank paintings and not those. So this is the right answer. Blank potatoes are overcooked and taste bad. These and those, both are right answer. Blank girl is taller than my cousin. This and that, both are right answer. Blank pots have been painted by my sister. These and those, both are correct answer. Bottles were packed in blank factory. This and that, both are right answer. Now moving to the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with adjective as indicated in the bracket. Students, in your book you have given bracket and you have given two words in the bracket, and you have to fill the right answer in the blanks. There were blank coins in Nimisha's pocket. So 5 is correct answer. Mother gave blank food to the beggar. Some is right answer. Blank cars have blank wheels. 2 cars have 8 wheels. Cinderella loved blank fairy godmother. Her is right answer. The princess slept on a blank mattress. So small and soft both are correct answer. We saw blank animals at the zoo. We saw many animals at the zoo. The dentist gifted me blank childhood tube of blank toothpaste. So white and mint both are correct answer. Blank trackers are living in blank cottage. Those trackers are living in that cottage. Blank team did your brother play for? Which team? Which is the right answer? We were late for blank dance class. We were late for our dance class. Grandma takes blank care of her health. So grandma takes little care of her health. A week has blank days. A week has 7 days. Blank plant doesn't bear flower. This plant doesn't bear flower. This is right answer. Blank house is near the supermarket. My house is near the supermarket. Blank handbag is laying on the table. So whose handbag is laying on the table? Whose is correct answer. Next is question number A. Fill in the blanks with suitable interrogative adjectives. So question number first is blank color is the sky. So answer is which color is the sky? In blank society did you book your house? So answer is which. In which society did you book your house? Blank car will take us to the school today. Which car will take us to the school today? Blank medicines did the doctor prescribe? Which medicine did the doctor prescribe? Blank presents did you get on your birthday? What presents did you get on your birthday? Blank advice did the priest give to his congregation? So what advice did the priest give to his congregation? Blank wet socks are these? Whose wet socks are these? Blank road leads to the riverside. Which road leads to the riverside? Question number 9. Blank kind of wood is the stool made of? What kind of wood is this stool made of? Blank suggestion is this Nikita's or Nikhil's? So whose suggestion is this? So these are the some exercise which we have taught today. In the next video lecture we will discuss some other exercise of this chapter. Till then you will write these exercise in your HW copy as well as in your book. So that's it for today, students.